So for me, the name Aiwa represents high-end sound because Aiwa is like what I grew up with. But Aiwa also has a line of products called Aiwa Home. And what's cool about these products, the whole line of them, is you see this fan here? It's wireless. Well, not just wireless, it's Wi-Fi-less. It's Bluetooth-less. I literally come over here and say, it's too hot.
Fan Boss, it's too hot.
Fan Boss, it's too cold. And this is a voice-controlled device that requires no internet, no smart device. It's a smart device that's standalone. It doesn't need anything else. And there's a whole line of these things. So they've got cooking things, they've got fan things, they've got a humidifier over here. I gotta go see the demo in a couple of days. But the real trick is, Aiwa Home is figured out. The last thing you want to do is connect everything to your Wi-Fi, connect everything to an app. Maybe you could just make them that are voice controlled by themselves, standalone. That's Aiwa Home. That being said, there's also Aiwa Sound because my memories of really good Aiwa audio are not faulty. Wait, you gotta hear this. He shows me the new product. What is it? It's the Prodigy Swim by Aiwa. It's a bone conduction headphones. You're like, Jared, you've been using bone conduction headphones for years. Yes, I have. And I'm like, so, I mean, it's a known, proven technology. What's gonna make yours different? And he says, the price point. How much is this gonna cost?
$59.99.
Yeah, that's insane. $60. I mean, these things go for like $180 in the competitor's version. They're waterproof. There's memory. There's a whole bunch of cool things in here. So the fact of the matter is they're pushing hard, and that's not a bad thing for a company that's already in this space. There's not in this particular space. So yeah, it's going to be out in March. Aiwa Prodigy Swim, and because it's Aiwa, you're going to be able to find it everywhere because they already have a market share. Anyway, really, really cool. Check them out. I guess I know what I have to check out next. So you got headphones. What else do you got? Well, these guys comes over here. He goes, look at this. I go, it's a boombox. See, I told you. I remember them when I was a kid. He goes, it's not a boombox. It's a home theater. I'm like, there's a handle on it. He goes, it's not a boombox. I go, does it have a battery? He goes, 12 hours. It's a boom. No, it's. For my age people, it's a boombox. For the way it will integrate into your life, this little box. Well, just you know what Bose did to speaker bars? This is what's going to do your audio sort of thing in your house. I know he's going, don't compare us to other brands, but you know, that's what they do. The brands do these things. So this really is a home audio system that looks like a boombox. And it's really, really cool. And he started cranking it up, and it was getting really loud. But if I crank it up really loud, you won't get to hear the video. Anyway, it's going to be around $400. I'm sure he'd say, you want me to say something lower than that, like $399.99. But you know what? I'm taking the penny for me. So really cool thing. Aiwa is a brand that I've known my entire life. Seriously, my favorite tape player was like, you got an Aiwa? I got an Aiwa. Little metal thing. I mean, it was just like the style thing. And the fact that they're using their brand for good. And they've never not been around. It's just now they're actually trying to put out there and say, what can we do that's innovative? And innovative can be in terms of the way it uses technology. Innovative can be the way it uses pricing. Innovative can be the way that you just approach high-end audio. Can't wait to see these. Is this out yet?
This is out right now, yes.
Where can I get it?
Right now it's on Amazon.
There you go. Like you can get it where you get everything. Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon.